Hello, my name is Kyle Beck. I serve as the Infrastructure Operations Maintenance Engineer for the City of Lakewood's Public Works Department. This presentation has to do with an ordinance that will be considered by Lakewood City Council scheduled for June 27, 2022, during which Council is scheduled for the first reading, and if approved to move forward in the process, a second reading will be scheduled for consideration to adopt this ordinance and grant Daniel Sanitation District a modified easement at the city shops on the east side of Quell Street, just north of Parfett Street. If the City Council approves this ordinance, the modified easement will be recorded and replace the existing easement. This ordinance request for modification to Daniel's existing easement is contingent on Resolution 2022-33 approved on April 11, 2022 for the easement modification and encroachment agreement. Within this agreement, Lakewood would support Daniel's request to modify their existing easement. This approved agreement also permits Lakewood to continue encroachment on Daniel's easement following the construction to increase the existing secondary containment facility necessary to meet current regulations. The purpose of this ordinance is to approve the modified easement documents. The next slide illustrates the project area for the adopted resolution 2022-33 and shows the importance to approve the modification to the existing Daniel sanitary sewer easement. On the screen, you will see a green line with green circles at the bends. This illustrates Daniel's existing underground sanitary sewer line and manhole locations. The next boundary to appear is the project area for the updated secondary containment facility. Adopted Resolution 2022-33 approved the agreement between the City of Lakewood and Daniels, allowing the city's upgraded tank farm and new decant facility to encroach on Daniels' modified easement. The next boundary that appears on the illustration is the existing easement boundary granted back in 1973. You can see how the existing sanitary sewer line leaves the easement on the south and the north side of the aerial image. The next boundary is the modified easement that Public Works is requesting approval from Council to grant to Daniels Sanitation District. You can see how the proposed modified easement accurately aligns and fully encompasses Daniels' existing underground sanitary sewer pipe and provides a location for a realignment of the pipe should Daniels The Department of Public Works recommends the adoption by City Council for the ordinance to authorize modifications to Daniel Sanitation District's existing easement located at Lakewood's maintenance campus. As described in this presentation and in the written materials provided in Council's packet, authorizing this ordinance is pertinent in providing accurate legal descriptions and documentation in the interest of both the City of Lakewood and Daniel Sanitation District. This concludes my presentation, and thank you so much for listening.